What's up, YouTube? Hope you're all doing well. Hope you're staying safe, staying healthy, and still enjoying life, even though we're in a crazy time right now. I don't know how else to put it other than it's freaking crazy. That's about as PG as I can keep it right there. But yeah, I hope you're all still able to wake up every day and put a smile on your face and get through your day, and go home at the end of the day, you got food on your table, you got a place to sleep. Hope that for everyone watching this video. And if someone needs to hear that, then refer them to this video, and maybe that'll put a smile on their face or something. I'm very fortunate still to have a job, to not really be in a position where my job is even in jeopardy. I know a lot of people are unemployed right now. I know a lot of people were self-employed, own businesses and things like that, and no longer have that anymore. And that's opening your own business and having it for years and have that taken away from you is very unfortunate, very sad. So I really pray for those people and hope they're able to hopefully start that business back up sometime in the near future. Good morning. Even people wanting to keep their distance right now, they still enjoy a good morning. For the most part, people are staying pretty friendly that I've come across. Little lost, I don't really know where to go. I'm looking for these dirt jumps over here. That way I could try them out on my new bike. And they're somewhere like very close. I just don't know exactly where. I'll keep looking. Sorry for the wind. Guess I'm not going the right direction, being against the wind. Gonna make a lot of noise for you guys. Of course, I was going the wrong way as usual, so it should be up here and to the right. So yeah, back on the positive topic. When I was in school about 3 years ago in college, taking one college course, the instructor would always tell us, in quotes, "This too shall pass," meaning whatever's going bad in life, it's gonna pass, it's gonna move on, we're gonna get over it, and it'll pass on, and we'll be on to the next adventure or whatever it may be. So if you're waking up every day and you're in a dark place and you're just not happy, and you're trying to find the energy to be happy, to put a smile on your face, just know that this is all gonna pass. You're gonna get another job, you're gonna find peace. Just know that this will pass. So if you're waking up every day and you're having a hard time putting a smile on your face, and you're not happy, and you're trying to figure out what to do because of what's going on, just know it will pass. You will get another job. There will be happiness again, things like that. It's not going to be tomorrow, of course. I think everyone's aware of that, but it will happen. That felt very good. So what it is one tabletop, two tabletops, three tabletops, and then a nice little gap right there. And that felt very good for the first jumps I've done. I was about to case that. Oh my god. I try to lean my nose down as far as possible, make sure my back tire got over. Damn, that was sketchy. I've been having a hard time maintaining my balance through this little rhythm section. Now, I haven't jumped actual jumps like this in years, so my balance is a little tweaked to the side and a little frustrating, but it's like I have to reteach myself how to jump dirt jumps all over again, which I don't like. If you find that you're in the air sideways unintentionally and landing sideways, it's because your takeoff, you're sideways. So with this one, with this first jump being a little crooked, it's messing me up and I'm going sideways in the air. Even though I feel like I'm hitting it straight on, and then all the other ones I'm good to go. It's just landing sideways, it kind of slows me down a bit. All right, let's get this figured out. Trying to get a decent whip in, but I cannot whip a mountain bike good enough right now. When I was younger, and I definitely didn't have very many fears when it came to dirt jumping, my friends would like to sit and lay in between the gap because I was usually the one testing to jump first. So I'm gonna try to give you guys and myself a view of what it looks like when someone's laying down and someone's hitting the gap above them. See what this looks like. Well, I understand that wasn't very exciting. However, like I said, I'm still trying to relearn how to hit dirt jumps. And, you know, it's not on a BMX bike anymore. It's now on a mountain bike, a full suspension one, you know. So it's a little different for me. You have more weight I'm pushing around. But I really like it. I mean, I'm not as scared to case the jump or overshoot it necessarily as I would be on a BMX bike. So I really enjoyed that. So yeah, if you guys are interested in my mountain biking videos, definitely hit subscribe. You also see my Tacoma videos as well. I'm going to be trying to track my progress at dirt jumps, you know, throughout the course of, you know, mountain biking. So next time maybe I'll try to throw in some tricks, slowly progress at throwing in tricks, I guess I should say, because next time I don't think I'll be ready. And just little ones like busting a little no-hander. Actually, no, not a no-hander, a one-hander, and then maybe moving on to a toboggan, things like that. Sorry for the wind noise, I apologize. So yeah, you know, if you're new to the page, make sure you hit that subscribe button. My subscribers are going up, and I really appreciate it. I think I'm a little over 60 right now, so I'm getting up there, slowly but surely. Any progress is good progress, so I appreciate it. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for future videos. Thanks for watching, stay healthy, and stay happy.